When we talk about equivalent fractions, the first question I want to ask you guys is, does anyone know what a fraction is? Before you raise your hand, talk to the person, or think to yourself for 30 seconds about what it is. Okay, before we raise our hands too, talk to the person next to you about it very quietly. Alright, let's come together. What is a fraction?
A fraction is a whole that's broken up to pieces.
Perfect. Does anyone have a different definition? So, we actually see equivalent fractions, or just fractions in general, in real life. Who eats pizza? Raise your hand if you eat pizza. Everybody eats pizza. So I found this and I thought it was funny. So when we talk about fractions, we can think of pizza. We can think about we're actually you could be a fraction of a class. Anything could be a fraction to think about. So there's 8 slices in a pizza. So our word problem that we're going to use is, with the idea of fractions, we actually see them in real life on a daily basis. So I said, so each slice of pizza is a fraction of the entire pizza. If a pizza has 8 slices in total, and you, the student, eat 2 slices of the whole pizza for dinner, how much slices are left? So if you eat 2 slices, how much slices are left? 6. So when we think about it, are 2 8s and 6 8s equal parts? Equivalent fractions? Or no? So what's going to happen is, you guys are going to be in your rows, and I'm going to hand each row a piece of paper. The paper has 4 questions for equivalent fractions. You just have to, so it's going to be set up like this. So it's going to have a fraction like 1/2 equals, and it's going to have a question mark, and it's going to have equals like 4. And then there's going to be a blank line. Now on the blank line, all you have to do is just find what that blank piece is to make that fraction equivalent. So what we were working on before, doing that multiplying, all we have to do is see that it was 2 equals 4. So how do we get 2 to 4? Perfect. So when we equivalent fractions. So our first example is 1/2 and 2/4. When I draw on this, do I just draw or do I have to press something?
Should I stop this? So there's
you keep going.
hit the where you no, like remember when you saw it on the back? Yeah. Is there like a little pen? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so these are 2 fractions. So I'm going to write them like normal fractions. So that's the numerator, that's the denominator, and then I'm going to say equal to the another one. So we have this equal to that. Does anybody know what 2/4 is?
1/2.
It is 1/2, exactly. We have to divide to get to this way. Do we see that? Okay. So what happens when we go from this side to this side? What do you have to do? When the first fraction has a missing piece, how do we get the second fraction? We have to multiply or divide. So if we have 2 over 8, and we have blank over 4, how do we find the missing piece?
You need to divide.
Divide perfectly. What if we divide by? So if we said to get from 4 to 8, we have to multiply by 2. What do you have to divide by?
2.
Perfect. Yeah, it's the same number, 2. So when we